In 2024, we were swarmed with quite a few fast and furious cars. Now, our good friend Vin Diesel and our very, very good friends Hot Wheels decided to do quite a few collaborations within 2024. That included, we found the likes of the Toyota Supra tuned, which again, Dodge Charger, Fast and Furious, and also many premium sets, including the best of Fast and Furious sets 3, 2, I only found one of the 2, and 1, the OG set. We also found the likes of Jesse's Jetta within Hot Wheels Decades of Fast, and then of course the latest addition to the collection, which is the Dominic Toretto set and the RX-7. Now, you think a multi-million-pound franchise has enough money and has made quite a bit of money in Hot Wheels from me and a few other collectors, but as you can see, there is still room in the display. So this means that we've got brand new, well, I'd say brand new, it was brand new in 2024, we're now in 2025 and I've only just found this set. So let's have a look at what we've won. So our Uncle Vin Diesel and the very good friends at Hot Wheels have decided to kick off 2025 with an absolute banger. Well, for me anyway. I think other people have found this set previously in 2024, end of 2024 maybe. Late, but better late than never, eh? So, in this Fast and Furious set, it compiles of the Nissan Skyline GTR. We've got the likes of the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. We've also got a Chevy Impala. We've got a Nissan 350Z Custom. And also we've got a De Tomas Pantera. Which sounds a bit like tomato pasta if you ask me. Anyway, yes, so here we go. I managed to pick up 2 out of the 5 that are in this series of set. I could have picked up a 3rd one, however, I'm going to show you the reason to why I didn't pick up the 3rd one. It's all about the money making scheme, but us collectors, we love new art styles on the cards, so that's my excuse for getting these basically. But yeah, okay, let's get into it and let's have a look. So the first one I'm going to be showing you is none other than the Nissan 350Z Custom, as it's called, and let's have a look at what it entails. So we've got a shiny decal exterior in gloss black, like I said, a shiny coat as well. We can see the little bits of detail, which includes the Z badges on the indicator, be the same on the other side, and also we've got a little spider there on the side as well, which is quite nice. We've got the matte black alloys, got a bit of silver there on the outer rims, but matte black alloys. Got a nice little body kit on, side skirts, which makes it custom. we go to the front and we can see 2 lots of headlamps that they've bothered to fill in, so that's very nice. It's always a relief to buy a premium set when they've actually gone to the strengths of filling in all the details. So much appreciated, Hot Wheels, thank you. Yeah, as we can see, nice and shiny, glittery. We've got a Z badge up the front there, and a nice front bumper body kit to finish it off with underskirts and side splitters, side skirts and under splitters there. Very nice. As we go to the rear, shiny, metallic, nice sparkly, hang up on your Christmas tree. Oh no, Christmas has already been gone. Can't be saying that now. But yeah, lovely body kit with, of course, the wing on the top there for all them extra brake horsepowers to hold it back so it doesn't do all the wheelies. Don't give Vin Diesel any ideas. And then from the top, decal continuation from the side to the top there. Nice and shiny. No, it's not dust, it's shiny. And that finishes off the custom 350Z. Now, there is a couple of 350Zs available within the Hot Wheels franchise, Hot Wheels Fast and Furious franchise sets. I haven't got a Nissan 350Z within the collection from the Fast and Furious franchise, so I thought it'd be rude not to, eh? As we can see here, lovely, lovely art style as well. It really captures the Fast in the Furious. Furious being the car, Fast as being the stripes here on the card. And it's such an awesome design, and another great car to have in the collection. Now, this next one is a cool little hybrid, and that was one of the reasons why I picked it up. The other reason is because it's an awesome car and it is legendary to the Fast and Furious series. We normally see this car maybe in grey and blue, or just in blue altogether. That's how we would normally remember this car. However, the decals of it, well, let me just show you. So, it is the Nissan Skyline GTR. Now, we're used to seeing it in blue, and we've also seen it in silver and blue decals. What's different about this one is it's got the Cruise decal emblem, as in the crew from the first film, where you got Jesse's car with this decal, you got the RX-7 with this decal, and you've got a couple of others as well. Oh, the Toyota Supra had this decal as well, I believe, like this crew emblem. And so they've made a yellow Skyline GTR that looks absolutely awesome with the Cruise decal on there. We've got black solid alloys, quite nice, with a yellow shiny body. Looks more golden than yellow, to be fair. We've got headlights. We've got some form of a GTR logo there. Close. Not filled in 100%, but it's close. And then as we go to the rear, we've got the iconic tail lights, GTR logo with the GTR wing there, and we've got a G Ready decal. If you have a look under this one, it's quite funny actually. If you have a look under a nice look under this one, well, the exhaust is a bit, yeah, I'm just going to leave that one here. It's yellow and it doesn't connect, so I don't think it'll be able to get through its emissions. Love the colour, love the decal, so it's going in the collection. It's got to be done. The fade of the lights there, and the scene blurring out. This is actually my favourite to date art for the cards. It's just extraordinary, I love it. Now the other car, the third one that I was going to get was going to be the Porsche 911 GC3 RS. The reason I didn't get this is because it was in the blue that I've already got in the holder, basically. I'm trying to look for new designs, new cars, that sort of thing. Now, weirdly with Hot Wheels, we've seen that sort of car and that sort of colour in another set, completely different, not even Fast and Furious. It was Forza Horizon, this blue Porsche 911 was in. But yeah, I was going to pick it up and I never did. To be honest, I don't regret not picking it up, but I'm glad I got these two of the best Japs going in to the archives. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you enjoyed just going through a couple of the best Fast and Furious cars. If you did enjoy, or you'd like to see more, make sure to leave a like and let me know which one is your favourite out of the two. Personally, I'd go with the yellow GTR, but again, the 350Z, hard to beat, but awesome to keep.